good morning. Dark siya. Wait, dito. Para makita nyo ang aking kagandahan. Never mind about the background because this is our dirty kitchen. Yeah, dirty kitchen. Pag sinabing dirty kitchen, it's not mean it's dirty. There's a lot of things that we need to put here. This is stock room, kitchen, etc. Yeah. Pwede ka rin dito, magbitay-bitay, mag-tent, ng duyan. Pwede rin na lang, kapag nagduyan ka dito, at dinuduyan mo ang sarili mo, be sure that you're safe, okay? It's not my responsibility if you're not. Ayun guys, inaano ko to guys, kasi itatanim ko to. I will plant, okay? At this time, kailangan kong bumihave kasi, guys, uso na sa mundo yung, stolen sperm, yan. Kapag nag-stolen kayo ng sperm, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea, okay? Kung gusto nyo magkaanak, dahil kailangan nyo ng sperm at hindi nyo kailangan ng asawa, kundi sperm lang. Maghahanap kayo ng kung saan may ginamit na kondom na tinapon sa basurahan. Baka mayroon pa doong humihinga-hinga ng mahirap ng hinga na sperm. Di ba yung sperm, it's look like a baby frog? Hanapin nyo doon, i-revive nyo. Kailangan nyo munang i-revive. Ikanon nyo muna kasi di ba? Yung doktor kasi, di ba, kapag baby, kailangan ganito ang pag-revive. Kapag kapag sperm naman, ganito ang pag-revive. Para malay mo, bago mo ilagay sa mattress mo, hindi na sila nakagana. Di ba? Buhay na. Ganun guys, ganun. Bibigyan ko kayo ng tip, okay? Maghanap kayo kung saan may jaculande at doon maghanap kayo ng ng basurahan na may condoms, okay? Baka mayroon pa doong natig-ik na na sperm na pwede nyong gamitin sa mattress nyo para magkaanak. Kasi guys, I didn't blame you. And I don't have plan to blame you because I know naman there's a girl that didn't wish to have a husband, but they wish to have a kid. So I'm the most understanding persons that I need to understand what kind of action and what kind of wish do you want. Okay, you want a baby, okay? And the reason why I will help you because I'm concerned. I'm concerned that you're getting old, there's no husband, and you wish to have a kid. And that's an idea, I give a good idea. I hope that you can comment below and say thank you. Thank you, Rogelia, to have a good idea. I want to kick you.